Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, my name is Esther and thank you so much for tuning in today's video. Today it is all about this beautiful unit from IShowhair. Now I am rocking their Brazilian loose wave 4x4 lace closure. Y'all, the way I customize the heck out of this unit doesn't make any sense. I love how I transformed this wig. I'm just showing you guys right there that how the lace is 4x4, so you're not really getting enough lace, but nonetheless it's not one of those units that you can put in a high ponytail, but you can put it in like a half ponytail if you'd like. So right now I'm just plucking the lace like so, and good thing about this unit, I did not have to bleach the knots or do anything like that, so it made my job a lot more easier. All I had to do is just pluck it real quick, and nowadays when it comes to plucking, I find this way a lot more easier than plucking when the hair is all back. So now it is time to put this unit on. I just wanted to show you guys inside of the unit. You get 2 combs on the side, 1 at the bottom, and then your adjustable strap. So I'm just grabbing my Tresemme mousse, and this is just going to push down the hair a little bit more because I did not pluck the parting at all, so I had to customize that part myself. But y'all know I don't like taking so long doing my hair. I like to fool people out there that I took long to do my hair, but in reality I took less than, honestly, like an hour or so. So I am just creating my straight line. I'm telling y'all, mousse helped your girl out because the amount of thickness of this hair is crazy. So now I'm just grabbing my hot comb just to make that parting a lot more flat. And this is the part where I decided I wanted to cut this wig because I wanted something a little different. I love the volume of this unit, so I just felt like if it was a lot shorter, the volume would look so nice. When I curl it, it's gonna be bouncy. So that's when I decided to just, you know, chop. And y'all know from my old videos, I am known for chopping wigs like it's nothing. It's fun for me and I enjoy it so much. So I'm just grabbing scissors, looking, trying to eye measure so I do not cut a little bit off. And the fact that this wig is like Brazilian body wave and stuff, when I curled it, I didn't have to curl the entire unit. I just curled in the front so it looks like my wig has been really laid and like I took so long. So anyways, that's my goal in life when it comes to do my hair. I'm not no hairstylist, so I just try to pull it off as best as I can. But I will be honest, y'all, after cutting this wig a lot more shorter, I will say the unit is so much thicker. Like it's insane. Like I actually enjoyed curling this unit. I loved how it turned out once I was done curling because I was able to run my fingers through it, and the hair was more fuller and had a lot more volume. It's just so cute. So I do not regret cutting this unit at all. You guys see it for yourself. It looks cute. Now at the end of this video, I went ahead and grabbed my concealer shade and I applied it on the middle part of the hair just so then it can look, I keep saying natural, but that's the only way I can say it because, you know, you don't want it to look so wig-ish, even though it's a wig. I mean, we all know it's a wig, but we want it to look a little bit more natural and put together. Like it's not a wig. I mean, like it's a wig that you know it's a wig, but it don't look like a wig. I know, all over the place, but y'all know what I mean. That's what I did at the end of this video. I am loving the 4x4 lace because guess what? Less plucking, less bleaching the knots, less time on my plate, okay? So I am done rambling, y'all. I'm just gonna pop some music. I'm curling it as I mentioned, so y'all can see it for yourself. Thank you for tuning in. I will put all the details for this unit in the description box, girl. All right, y'all. I love y'all so much, and thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.